welcome back to the course. And so, remember, I think a month ago, so this was April, right? So let's say a month ago. So if I go back to my video, yeah, that was a month ago. I announced the new course, right? So I spent like, let's say, 3 to 4 weeks to record all the videos. So this already pre-recorded, so I'm going to be dropping the videos like weekly, or I don't know how I'm going to do it. I've not still decided on how I'm going to be dropping the videos, whether I should just drop all of it, or I should be dropping it weekly or daily, or I don't know. So that would depend on the engagements on the video, comments, the views, and the messages I have. So yeah, so good. So well, let's just jump in, right? So the first thing you're going to do is, so I'm not just going to jump into coding right away. So I want to take this a little bit back. So I'm going to do like database modeling, right? So this is already pre-done. So if you go to this is a backend code, I'm just going to PHP artisan set. So I can run this. So it's running on localhost 8080, and I think the front end should be on oh wait, I've lost count. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's the front end, right? So let's open a new VS Code window. Oh, what happened? Okay, it went full screen. Oh no. All right, so we just put the front end code in there, right? So I've done this, but I just want to show you guys, those who are watching this video for the first time, just see how the whole application works, right? So this is a front end. So let's spin it up, right? This npm run, should it be run serve? Yeah, run serve. So it's spinning up. So this is already running. So we have a database software just to check your tables and do some database stuff. So I'm using Data Plus. You can use, they have a ton of them. If you're on Windows, you can use Apache, right? But I'm using Table Plus on my Mac, so Table Plus is really good. So we're opening Table Plus just so we can, check our database. So we go to localhost, it should pop up. So we go to databases here, and then the name of the database. I don't remember the name of the database. I've created so many databases. I think it's GTPA. Open. Oh yeah, that is it. Categories, event, feedbacks, mentees, mentor request. I think that is it. Users. Yeah, I think that is it, right? So once our front end is ready, we can just go to localhost, blah 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 blah, and see what happens, right? Yeah, so here we are, right? So we can log in. Let's see if we can log in. So I don't remember the details I use and all that. So let's see. Let's pick an admin or a mentor, right? A mentor login details. What's the password for this? I don't even know. And I hashed the password, so you can see it's not like your original password, right? So I did a lot of stuff, so it's not like your original password. But let me try. Maybe I remember what I used for the password. I think 000 or something. So I think it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Login. Yeah, you're in, right? Good. So this is a dashboard, right? So you log in, you're a mentor, you log in. So you can see the number of mentees who have, I'm saying you've accepted to mentor, right? So here are they. You can message them, and it pops up the chat. You can see our previous chats are already there that you've had with the person is already there. So you can go back and you can even also chat this one. You can see the previous chat are also already there. You can send them a new one. Hello there, how are you? Anything you want to do, probably. And it should go. Yeah, it should. And then when you open this, it pops out the new window. So yeah, so this messaging, you can go to request, you have no request, you go to feedback, and you can provide feedback for the mentorship you've had with this. So you are the mentor, you are the lady, right? Claudia Serene, I just thought of it. So you are the lady, and this is the supposed mentee, the person you're supposed to mentor. So you can give the feedback like, hey, it was a good mentorship with him, something like that. And you can just send the feedback. So you say, okay, so feedback is sent. So once it's sent, you can't send a feedback again because you're supposed to send once. Just like here, you've already sent a feedback, so you can see you can't send a feedback, right? So when the mentee also logs in, he will see there's a feedback, and then he can also send his feedback about how the whole thing went. So this messages request, this mentee, no really like a lot of things going on, like very simple stuff. So I think there's a lot of things you can improve here. So you can see the mentor profile. You should be able to like click to just see the profile of the person you are mentoring. But you already have before you are. I think I have not added that. So the other things I can go to mentor. This is only mentor in the system, just one. So if I go here to mentors, you can see there's just one mentor with a lot and a bunch of information. You can go view the profile. You can see her experience and work, professional background, all of that stuff. So you have events coming up, normal stuff. You have blog post. You can read. You can go to your personal dashboard. You can go back to home, and this is just a landing page, like academic stuff. Like you can top it up and make it good, right? So you can go to your profile, you can go to your account, you can edit your information in your account, you can change your profile picture, and let's say I want to change my profile picture. I want to use I don't have any lady here. I don't have any lady as my okay, cool, you can change it, but okay, let's change it back, right? So we change it, that is it, boom, here we are. With a new deep, right? So let's change it back to the lady, right? It doesn't look cool. Boom, we have it. So very simple website, but a lot goes in there. So you can just log out and then we are done. So that's what you're going to build. But yeah, so you already see what you're going to build, right? So before that, we are going to do some database modeling. I don't know how much time I have into this. I should have set up my clock. I should have set up my clock to track the time, but well. Countdown, right? 30 minutes. 30 minutes is too much. I need like 20 minutes to do the database modeling, and then that'll be it for this video, right? All right. We're going to create a logo for the projects. So you're going to go to Canva straight away, and we are going to create a logo. So I'm going to just go here and just say I need a logo, right? Just logo. So what's the logo for? Event logo, church logo? Yeah, something like a church, because mentorship is church, right? Yeah, church. Yeah, so we're gonna name it what? I need ideas, guys. I mentor, right? I mentor, or you mentor, something like that. You mentor sounds good. You mentor. It has to be simple. This is not a paid project, please. So you mentor, and then this is what I'm going. So this is what I do when I'm on Canva. So because I need the logo to be really small, I'm going to go to create new design, custom size, and just say I wanted 250 by 100 and by 200, oh no, by 180. Create new design. Really 250 by 180. Okay, by 200, then by 150. Create new design. Delete the shit. This still doesn't look like 200 by 150. Really? Anyways, I don't like this. So this is 200 by 100. How about that? Alright, now this is what I want. Okay, so yeah, we basically want everything here, but I don't like the size. So we just copy and then we paste. Good. You see how it fits in the very nicely. You see, this is what I want. All this extra white space, I don't need it, because we're gonna put this on a white. It's not like white, but let me copy this. Pick color from page. All right, so that it looks like a PNG, right? Oh, that is it. So I just paste it. I choose it. This is it, what I want. So I'm just gonna go back. I don't like this, like, I just need it, 200. That's fine. But this, okay, 150. Let's say 180 by 60. Right, that should do the work for me. Yeah, something like that. So we need you. Let's copy you. Copy. Come in here. Oh, copy. Come in here. Paste. That is it. We go back. The color that we chose, light gray. So we go back. Go here. Say light gray. Where are you? Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? Not too sure. I can be sure when I just copy the color on the page. So copy the color on the page and just where is it? Is it this or this or this? No, this is cancelled. Okay, this is it. So I don't need you. Just go here. Pick the color. All right. So this seems to work, right? So we just have to position this somewhere in the middle. I will say you mentor. You do mentor. No, you mentor. Maybe we can add some sign. Element. We can add some smile. So guys, it's open, right? You can do anywhere in. Excuse me. Oh, what? Look, this is what. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Oh shit. What's the best emoji for mentor? Center for learning from experience. Center for learning from the experience, right? That's all right. Grammarly, help me out. Experienced. This is too big, so copy that. Make sure. Yeah. Oh no. What am I doing? Bold? No, bold doesn't look good. Oh, what? Okay, so we need this. Stay in the middle, man. So we need this to be extra big. You mentor. Extra big. Another extra big. And oh. What? Okay, this just has to come in the middle. Alright, this looks cool. So it's not MP4. What? Download MP4. No, I just need a PNG. It said MP4. Okay, so this looks cool, right? We 14 minutes in. Center for Learning from the Experienced. Ideas. Look, this has to be some blue in it, because our color is blue, right? So pick color from page. So maybe you should be. Yeah, you mentor center for maybe learning can be this, and then maybe bolding, and then experience also can be this, and then maybe bold. Can I change the color of this? Oh, this doesn't. That's filter. I thought it has some filters. Okay, let me see if I can see mentor. Ooh, look at some mentor stuff. Look at this. Oh, this is pro. I can buy it. I used to have a pro. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's pro. Shit. I don't even like it. Why am I able to use pro? Oh, there's a watermark. Who cares? Guys, which one looks more you know, which one looks more cool? I don't know, but I don't like this. Let's bring back our smiling boy. Yeah, it's up to you guys. You can go to Canva, you know, do your own stuff. You can have your own thing. But me, I'm keeping this to download. So this is gonna be our logo, right? Cool. Hey, we're done. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, exactly. I just need it like this, as tiny as possible. That's fine. Don't need to be huge. All right, guys. So yeah, so that was it. So our logo is set up. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to jump straight and just set our page, like set our page to look like this, right? I have the CSS and everything done. I'm going to share the code with you guys, and everybody can share. So what I'm going to do, the quick one is I'm going to delete the project on GitHub, because I'm going to create a new one from scratch. So I might as well just delete it on GitHub. You understand? So if you need a code, you can just hit me up. I can send you the code. I just zip it all, and I'll just send it to you. Something like that, right? What's the name of the code? What did I name it? Okay, this is the backend. Oh, the backend is even private. That's fine. I'll still delete it, and they are both private. Oh, really? So bad. Oh, maybe I should leave it, right? Since it's private, I mean, I'm still gonna do it again, right? Oh, anyway, it's private. Let me just leave it. I thought it was public. So if you need a code, yeah, you can get. So we're going to create a new repository when we start in the next video and then start from scratch. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. So we're 20 minutes, 18 minutes, 29 seconds, 30 seconds, 31, 32, 33.